guys, today we are in Aurora, Illinois attending the Halal Rib Fest. This is a very popular fest that started in Canada. They are finally doing a tour in the US states, so they are here in Aurora, Illinois today. As you can see, there's a lot of people here. It's all Zabia Halal Fest, so it has all halal food. And then they do have some like enjoyment things as well here. Alright guys, so we've made it to the Halal Rib Fest here in Aurora, Illinois. As you can see here, we're standing in front of two big stalls. These are for the barbecue. Here we have Boobaloo's Barbecue on the right, and then on the left here we have Texas Jack's Barbecue. They have a bunch of different items ranging from pulled beefs to briskets. They have brisket sandwiches, mac and cheese, beans, and corn slaw. Cornbread, just your southern comfort food. Lots of good stuff. As you can see on the grill right here, they have some short ribs. He's like chopping up some meat or brisket, it looks like over there. Looks really good. I've never had authentic American barbecue before, so I'm super excited for all of this. Let's go see what the other side has too. Look at all of that goodness. They have ribs going on there, all slathered in barbecue sauce. Look at that char, it looks so good. This is, I'm assuming, what they're gonna be making the sandwiches out of. They do have a few options for those as well. But look at that, look at him slather the sauce on there. How good does that look? So good. Zoom out to look at the line of the people waiting. A lot of people come here. They're actually very famous and known for their ribs and barbecue here. So we've got quite a line out here in Chicago, Illinois today to eat this famous barbecue. They have some nice seating arrangements here as well. You can see families are out here kind of picnicking with their family. Luckily, the weather in Chicago is cooperating and it's not too cold, so everyone can really enjoy the Halal Rib Fest. There are some food trucks as well with other options. I think this one's for like sandwiches and burgers and stuff. They have a few for burgers. They have a taco one too. It's down on the other side, but over here we got another. We have the Big Red's barbecue pit, and then we got, oh, it looks like more barbecue over here. They've got some of those big racks of ribs over here. It looks really good. Look at that. Look at him just playing with his hands. Good. That looks really good.
It is, I'm not gonna lie.
I bet.
This is delicious.
Delicious, yeah?
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Right here. Scan that, and then you're gonna ask you for your name and pick us, please. Thank you.
Is this all you're doing over here? Just ribs?
I do ribs, chicken, brisket. That's about it, yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Oh, give me a.
Next here we have the Show's Spot. Looks like they're specializing in burgers. They've got a bunch of shawarmas here and falafel. It looks like it's a Middle Eastern inspired burger food truck, but they have a bunch of stuff. They have that. They have some desserts here as well. And then moving along here we have We've got Los Shows brisket and tacos.
Just so you know, all our proceeds from the sales, everything goes to Palestine Relief.
Yes, free Palestine.
Please mention all that.
Of course, we appreciate that. That's so awesome. I will definitely be getting something here. What would you recommend?
Tacos, biscuits, everything.
Everything? Okay, a little bit of everything. Great. So this is their menu down here. They have a bunch of different options. As you can see, it's very Mexican inspired, but they have nachos, tacos, they've got ribs, briskets, and all of their proceeds are going to Palestine, which is an amazing cause. Very generous of them. And then, so as you can see, we showed you a little bit earlier, but here's a close-up of the seating arrangement. They have tables and chairs out here. It's like one big family barbecue. It's really nice vibes. It's a nice sunny day too, so it's perfect. But yeah, there's, as you can see, they have some bounce houses back there too for the kids. My daughter went into one and she doesn't want to come out. So there's that. This is a good overview of kind of where we started. It's a really nice big arrangement they have here going on. But yeah. This is a yummy halal food truck here. Why is this empty? I'm not sure. Maybe they're just not open yet. But here we have another Mexican inspired. This is Burrito Express. I'm assuming they do a lot of burritos, and yeah, they have a lot of burritos and tacos. They have ground beef tacos, they have chicken tacos, they have burritos, and they have a lot of popular Mexican snacks as well. They have loaded nachos, they have some walking tacos. That is interesting. There's that. Anmol is a very popular restaurant here in Chicago. It looks like they have their own setup as well here too. And it looks like they're doing everything from burgers to barbecue. They have some traditional desi twists on our traditional American foods. So it looks like they have some chicken over here. It's like marinating. They're putting those onto skewers. They have this open grill here, which is very cool. We traditionally don't really see these kind of grills here in this side of the world, so that's very fun to see. I believe this is what he's going to be barbecuing the chicken on. So this is their menu card. They also are specializing in like your traditional American smoked things, but they also have some Pakistani twists. They have masala fries, they have mango habanero chicken, they have mango kulfi as well. But yeah, lots of good stuff. They've got burgers as well. And then down here we've got some Lotus crepes. I guess this is like a sweets shop. It has crepes and anything dessert you might need after your barbecue ventures. And then down here we have Arzan Cafe. They've got a lot of good stuff here. What do you have going on here? Some shawarma.
We have beef shawarma, chicken shawarma, lamb bulgogi, beef bulgogi. You can come to see.
Okay, cool. It's gonna show us chicken. Okay, what kind of chicken is this?
Budak, fried chicken.
Oh, fried chicken. Okay, cool.
Here is the fried lamb.
Fried lamb, yum. That looks delicious.
Here the kebabs.
They have kebabs.
Chicken, lamb, ground beef.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Here is our traditional food, it's rice.
Oh, okay. Oh wow, look at this. Pilaf with the raisins and the carrots and the meat and everything. That looks so delicious. So delicious. Cool, and then they're barbecuing some skewers on the side over here as well. Over here on the other side, they also have some more seating. Over here, they do have covered seating. So if you're allergic to the sun, you can sit on this side. But very nice arrangement they've got set up here. They've also got some shops set up here. They have some beautiful art pieces, Islamic art pieces. Look at these ones on the bottom here. They're like crystallized on wood. It looks, or it's actually on marble. Very beautiful. They've got a bunch of other pieces up in the front as well. No, you're good. Oh, are these all handmade?
Oh yeah, yeah.
All handmade. Oh wow. So these are all handmade. How cool is that?
Anything you need, we gonna do.
That's awesome. So do you have a shop set up here, or do you normally?
My wife do with my daughter in a home.
Oh wow, it's beautiful. Amazing. They have some keychains over there too. I might get a keychain. Very cute. Very beautiful. Isn't it crazy? These are all handmade. So beautiful. They've literally got every color imaginable. If I find out their information, I'll definitely put it in the description so anybody can help themselves if they want to support. And then over here, we've got Sweets of the East. You want to tell us what you got going on here?
Yeah, so we got some cookies, we have some cake pops, brownies, and then cake slices. You know,
Awesome, yeah.
everybody's favorite. And then in the back here, we have a little more Eastern stuff. So we have a spicy rice cake mix. We have some baklava, and then we have some bun. Perfect to go with your chai.
Awesome, yeah. My dad will definitely go for the fun, I'm sure. Yes, that's awesome. It looks really good. Definitely gonna stop by here after I get a chance to eat everything else, you know? Inshallah. Okay, fantastic. They do catering as well. So if anybody else in the Chicagoland area ever needs catering when it comes to sweets, this is a great place to hit up for sure. Awesome, thank you for... Okay, here we got another stall with like kurtas and shalwars. Just what is this, J-Dot? J-Dot, okay, awesome. Not looking for anything specific yet. Might need to size up on the kurtas after I'm done heating here, so we'll come back, you know? Yeah, okay, awesome, thank you. And then here we got another, this is Sincerely Boutiques and Gifts. This looks like it's all jewelry. Lots of like traditional Indian Pakistani jewelry. They got some tikas, some bangles, some sets, very pretty stuff. And then here we've got, is this perfume? We got some perfume.
We have our own blend that we make. We have perfume, hair perfume oils, hair and beard oils, and then we have some incense, of course, to burn at home in your house, special occasion.
Very cool. What would you say is your most popular?
My most popular is gold. It's my number one spray. And my newest spray is the most popular now. It's called Second Wife.
Second Wife? Funny. What's the notes of the gold one?
The gold one is a musk vanilla patchouli cocoa.
Ooh, okay.
And it lasts 2 days on clothes, 1 day on skin. Also, the second wife is a wood musk amber. The name of the company is Smoke, because the smokier they have wood in them. They're long lasting, so they give that smoky effect.
Very cool. Are you Chicago based?
No, from Toronto.
Oh, Toronto. Okay. Is this all from Toronto?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
Organization is from Toronto.
Oh, okay. Very cool. Thank you for sharing.
Take a card.
I will take a card. Yeah. All right, and then they do have some setup for children here. They have a bunch of bounce houses. Like I said earlier, my daughter went into one and she still is in there. She's jumping right there in the white shirt. But it's very nice. They've got something for everyone here. And then there's some more down the line. They've got the kids covered when it comes to fun. So the kids can distract over here. Parents can go enjoy food over there. You know, we have very nice arrangement. This is the father. He's on father duty while I go give the tour of the Halal Rib Fest.
Yeah.
and stopped by at the Burrito Express. Here we've got some beef loaded nachos. And then here I got a carne asada taco. It has a lot of spicy salsa on it with onions and beef and a corn tortilla.
Oh, and also no hands on the chairs. No hands on the chairs.